The mermaid necklace was designed from the end of two of the 1971 Interlude silver plate patterned spoons. Well, I've set my website up, so now I can offer it as a purse charm, along with many other purse charms. So now these items can be purchased as charms or with a 30-inch stainless steel chain. When visiting my site, you'll see that I have many different sections. You'll find purse charms and keychains. Or in the search bar, you can put in your ring size, earrings, necklaces, or purse charms to find every single one. Come stop by my shop today. These will go fast.